I'm Deanne with WTI, and this is my window cleaning robot. HOBOT has a quick start guide, which is so helpful. The first thing you do as soon as you pull HOBOT out of the box is you want to plug him in so that backup battery gets charged. HOBOT suctions to your window and he does all the work. So you go through it one time without any spraying water, and then the second time is when you turn on the sprayer and he cleans the window. HOBOT has 3 different auto modes. On top of that, HOBOT also has an app that you can use if you don't want to use a remote control. You do want to make sure that you are always holding on to his tether cord though. HOBOT is absolutely amazing. I love that you get so many accessories. He's pretty easy to use. And that is my point of view.